What's going on? It's your boy Q60 Reggie. In today's video, we will be doing custom headlights on a Q60. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna show y'all the process because it is a long ass process. But my boy, he's coming with his Q60 right now. He coming through the gate, so I'm moving my car and shit. So, I know y'all boys see the Tesla screen. I don't know if the Tesla screen video might be out by then, but you know what I'm saying? I got the Tesla screen now. Tight shit. Alright, we about to start right here. That shit's so tough, bro. But yeah, we about to go crazy. Excuse the dirty garage once again. But let's wait for bro to pull up. Yes, sir. What's going on? You gonna park right here. Forward park. Forward? Yeah. This nigga shit hard as fuck, bro. Damn. Shorty. Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all when this might be a little short video. I don't know. But y'all boy, stay tuned. Tough. Damn, big shorty. Tough. Alright, YouTube, so we back in the dirty garage. The big boy Q60. Yeah, man, so we doing his headlights right now. We got both of them out. It's probably a couple hours past, so we got the headlights out. Got it open. Put the demon eye in there. Put the etch lens in there. And we about to put this bit back together. And yeah, we about to hop into this headlight right here. We still got one more headlight to go, so yeah, man, it's a little process, but we getting it done. And we gonna catch y'all when we almost finished. I'm gonna catch y'all when we start the other headlight.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Damn, that shit hard, bro. Damn. Oh my God.
6.5 hours later.
But that shit recording.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so we back. We got a whole nother headlight. It's really stressful, but me and we about to get it through. We about to get through it together because we all in this together, man. That's some high school musical shit. Feel me? This is the hardest part of the process, bro. But you gotta have patience. Patience is key. YouTube. So I know this video everywhere. But yeah, see, we got one. Oh, I just stepped in some water, bro. What the fuck is that? Anyway, we got one headlight done. I probably showed y'all before, but this bit's so tough. One God, that shit hard as hell. Right now I got the oven. I got the headlight in the oven. Bro, this man got a fuck. I'm gonna wait till you get back to show y'all. But he got a carbon steering wheel, bro. I gotta get one, dog. That bit hard. But yeah, this is what right here. It's tough. Gloss black hood. Gloss black, what's it called? Hood. Yeah, hood. Fuck, I keep stepping in this water. What the fuck is this? Damn it, bro. But yeah. So right now, like I said, we got the headlights in the oven. And we about to goddamn. I'm gonna get back with y'all. So we back like 5 hours later. And, we got some work done. No, we almost done. Just gotta screw this back on. Just doing this by itself took me about like 3 hours, feel me? So, yeah, so we about to screw this back in, get the headlights in, we about to send him home. I already showed them the other one about 15 times, so you don't even gotta show them again. But if you want to, only because it's tough, you can show me again.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a special guest.
Yes, sir. Slow nada.
We do a little time lapse.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, you gotta do a little and cut this nigga's voice off, bro.
Alright, so we finished the headlight after about 5 hours. Not even, probably about 8. And we walking to the finish line. Woo! Take a look at that one. That shit tough. That shit, hey, y'all pull this out real quick? You about to see how the other one look real quick. You ready, bro?
Hell yeah, bro.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, one more.
Yeah, but demon eye now on. I gotta turn that shit on. Let me see. Let me turn on demon eye.
Did it turn on?
Nah, I gotta turn that shit on right now.
Oh, you turned it off?
Yeah, I had it off. I just had the halo. I got it though. It's on now.
Yes, sir. Oh, shit. I'm proud of this possession, I ain't gonna lie. Damn. This shit tough.
We'll put it on and then.
Shine the light real quick. This coming.
Eventually.
Alright, y'all boys, so we finna be riding in the goddamn Q60. Fuck. Damn! Hold on. This shit feel kinda nice, boy. You got a dash cam. Say what's good to the YouTube dash cam. We about to goddamn. This is my first time driving the Q60. This shit crazy, bro. Look at my car back there. Oh, shit. Yo. Damn, boy. I need me this carbon steering wheel, bruh. This steering wheel too comfortable. Damn, boy. To get the dash cam. This is tough. Yeah, I need this carbon steering wheel, bro. I'm about to say fuck coils and get a steering wheel, bruh. What y'all think? Should I get the coils? Bro, my shit look like a demon, bro. What the hell? Yo! What car taking off like that? Bro, look at my car, bro. Damn. Yo. tall. For sure. Damn, bro. Oh, shit. Damn, hold on. Damn, bro. Huh? That shit feel good, bro. Hold on, let me turn that light off. For real? Cause you ain't turn the light on. My light's off right now. I mean, not off, but it's only set to like the something like the hell kerosene. Damn. Yeah, that purple with the blue in the middle go crazy. Alright, y'all, so I know the video ended abruptly, but I just wanted to say thank y'all for the support. I appreciate y'all showing love to the videos and the channel and all that stuff. And that was actually my first time working on some Q60 headlights. And it turned out pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. But I just want to say, give y'all a tip. If y'all working on headlights or yeah, like putting RGB stuff on your headlights and stuff like that, make sure y'all change y'all fuses. Because when I finished wiring his later, like right after that video, we realized that his headlight was out. The daytime running light was still working, but the headlight, like the low beam and the high beam was out. So we tried changing the fuses and it worked. So where I wired it to is actually, he wanted it to stay on with the battery. So where I wired it to is like the, I think it's called the fusible link or something like that. So I had to order a new one for that. So that should be coming in like the next few days. So we could put that on his car and then he'll be back up and running. But yeah, that's the only tip I really got for y'all. If y'all working on headlights, make sure y'all change the fuses because it might blow. Make sure the voltage is not too high. Make sure you're just not overpowering one circuit because that will happen. And I had to learn that with my headlights, and I had to learn that with his headlights, I'm not gonna lie. So, yeah, man, y'all boys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I have one of my boys with his Q50, he coming over next week to get his headlights done, so I will be dropping a video on that. And yeah, so, hopefully my Tesla screen video is out before this one. Most likely it is. So, yeah, y'all boys enjoy the content. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm tired as hell. I'm out.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.